Right then guys, here we go, the Hillman Minx just landed with us for our next sale. Looks a real usable car, this. I don't know, to be fair, much in the way of background or where it's came from. I can only sort of show you around the car and show you what I see. These videos are going to be a little bit different to usual, with a couple of new procedures in place, with a little bit less talking. Because of course, just bear in mind, I think sometimes people get confused. These videos, of course, are just a bit of a step up from pictures, and sort of course, give you a little bit of a better indication of what the car's like than trying to just go off the photos. Not to stop you from coming. They're more of an indication of whether it's one worth travelling for or not. So, also another thing, just please remember to give the office a ring before you come. And get yourself an appointment. Make sure you pre-book to come and have a look. We get so many visitors throughout the day. It's hard to sort of control numbers. So we're going to be a bit stricter on pre-booked viewing only. So be sure to give the girls a ring and get yourself an appointment in place. But so far, looking round it, guys, it looks a real usable car. Just show you inside quickly whilst we're here. I'll fire it up for you in a moment, see what she does. Just go around the other side quick and have a look. And whilst we're here, we may as well have a quick nosy in the boot. There you go. Oh, we got a bit of water ingress there. The bits and pieces in there, look. There you go. Nice chrome work around the rear. Just jump around that side and fire it up for you. The battery lead might be off. Oh, they might be inside. I thought they were in the grill. Oh, there you go. There we go. If whilst we're under here, look, you might as well have a nosy. Wouldn't hurt from a little bit of tidy up, etc., with a few wires and a general little bit of faffing under there and fettling with. But overall, nothing really to write home about. It's presentable enough, guys. There you go, look, nice under the bonnet. I'll just fire it up for you. Where are we? There you go, a little bit of that. Oh, there you go, burst straight into life, look. Oh, I'll tell you what, that sounds sweet. It's not that choking a little bit. Oh yeah, she does. Yeah, she sounds ever so sweet, guys. Looks a real usable car, this. Real usable car. I certainly don't think you'll be wasting your time coming down and having a little look. So there you go, she's down on display here at Pickering. Thank you.